Within MaxaWare's item administration, users can now associate accessories to items. This feature will help take the guesswork out of proposal creation by providing a pre-approved list of accessories for items as they are added to a proposal. Admin users will have to associate accessories to items for this feature to work. To do so, navigate to Options in the menu ribbon and click on Manage Items. When the item administration page loads, search for an item that should have accessories associated and click on the Edit pencil to open the Modify Item page. In this case, we are going to set up accessories for an Epson projector. Once the Modify Item page loads, scroll down to find the Accessories section and begin typing in model numbers of items that can be used as accessories for this product. In our example, we are adding a projector mount, a screen, and a surge protector. Now that the accessories have been added, we can see how this feature works when creating a proposal in MaxaWare. Once the proposal template loads, enter the model number of the item, in this case, the projector, in the field provided within the Item tab. Select the stage in which the item will be installed, rough-in, trim, install, etc., and type in a note regarding where this item will be installed in the location field provided, then click the green plus at the end of the item line. The system will open a small window that displays all pre-approved accessories for this item. Select one, some, or all accessories as needed, and click Add to add the item and selected accessories to the proposal. Note that any accessories selected will have the same location note as the main item entered.